light pink color, red color, sky blue color, black color, blue color, purple color, light green color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, green color, and pink color. So kids, now you draw A and use pink color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. So kids, now you draw G and use green color. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. So kids, now you draw G and use yellow color. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use orange color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. So kids, now you draw M and use sky blue color. M for moon. N for nose. So kids, now you draw O and use light green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use blue color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. So kids, now you draw U and use brown color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X and use light green color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. So kids, now you draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use red color. 1 2 3. So kids, now you draw 4 and use purple color. 4 5 6. So kids, now you draw 7 and use black color. 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.